They paid her just paid her a bunch of more money, didn't they? Yeah. Oh man, there's a fish. He's no keeper, but he's decent. The jerkbait. He ate it too. There's one. That's a good one. I don't have a net. I'm gonna boat flip him. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. He didn't came from the box. I'll take him. I love to blast him in. Big one? Yeah? Real big one? Yeah. Give him the boat. Sit. There he is again. See that? You see him? He made another swirl. You really did get hit. Throw it up there. That's probably a big one. Right there. Hit just like once and let pause. I'm gonna throw a jig in there. How did I do that? He really? He's a bigot, isn't he?
It's really good.
The biggin'? Yeah, let me see him. Nice. Sweet, your line is so boogered up here.
That's awesome. Alright.
Take chances. There's one. Come here. This fish is so warm. I was gonna put him in my pocket. Yeah. Ooh. Two more Junebug, Jared. Right in the forehead.
But, I knew I had a fish because I could feel it wiggling. I was like, he got me on.
Man, that's a hog, man.
Big boy. Big boy. You had that one on GoPro right there. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Good one. Good one right there.
He's good for one fish stick.
You're right.